Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite KBM on mobile. First, it's important to understand that Fortnite on mobile devices does not officially support keyboard and mouse input. Epic Games explicitly states that KBM cannot be used, even when playing the game through cloud streaming platforms. This means you won't find native settings to enable KBM controls within the mobile application itself, which can be a surprise for many players hoping for a PC-like experience on their phone or tablet. While cloud gaming services like Xbox Cloud Gaming or Amazon Luna stream the PC version of Fortnite, allowing for KBM input on computers, this functionality generally does not extend to mobile devices for Fortnite. Epic Games' official stance indicates that KBM is not supported on mobile, even through these streaming platforms. For the best cloud gaming experience, a stable internet connection with at least 30 megabits per second download speed and a 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection are highly recommended to minimize latency. Some players explore unofficial workarounds, such as using third-party key mapping applications or physical USB adapters to connect a keyboard and mouse to their mobile device. These methods attempt to translate KBM inputs into touch commands. However, they are not officially supported by Epic Games and can be complex to set up, often resulting in inconsistent performance, input lag, or even potential account penalties. Proceed with extreme caution if considering these unofficial solutions. To optimize your Fortnite mobile experience, regardless of input method, ensure your device meets the minimum requirements, such as a 64-bit Android operating system 10.0 or higher, and at least 4 GB of RAM. Lowering in-game graphics settings and the three-dimensional resolution to 75% or less can significantly reduce input delay and boost frame rates. Additionally, closing all unnecessary background applications will free up valuable system resources, leading to smoother gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.